Good morning, Mr. Peter. Welcome to Marks & Spencer. I'm Amanda Watson, the HR Director. Thank you for coming in today. How are you?
Good morning, Miss Watson. I'm doing well, thank you. It's a pleasure to be here and learn more about this opportunity.
Would you like some water, tea, or coffee before we begin?
I'm fine for now, but I appreciate the offer.
Today's interview will last about 45 to 60 minutes. We'll discuss your experience, skills, and how you might fit into our finance team. Does that sound good?
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to our conversation.
Could you briefly introduce yourself and tell us about your accounting experience and educational background?
Certainly. I am a qualified chartered accountant, ACA, with over 6 years of experience in financial reporting, compliance, and process optimization. I hold a master's degree in accounting and finance from the University of London. My career includes 3 years at Deloitte, where I audited retail and FMCG clients, followed by 3 years as a senior accountant at Tesco, managing month-end closing, financial statements, and tax reconciliations. I've also led automation projects that improved efficiency by 25% in previous roles.
That's an impressive background, Mr. Peter. Your experience in retail accounting and process improvements aligns well with our needs here at Marks & Spencer. Let's proceed with the interview. What attracted you to this role at Marks & Spencer?
Marks & Spencer has a strong reputation for financial integrity and sustainability, which aligns with my professional values. I'm particularly impressed by your plan initiatives and would love to contribute my skills to a company that balances profitability with ethical business practices.
If a company has 3 bank accounts, how many ledgers should it maintain?
It should maintain 3 separate ledgers, one for each bank account. This ensures accurate tracking and reconciliation, preventing errors in cash flow reporting.
What methods have you used to estimate bad debt?
I've used the aging of receivables method, applying higher percentages to older invoices. For example, 1% for invoices under 30 days, 5% for 60 to 90 days, and 10% for over 90 days. At my previous company, this method reduced bad debt surprises by 15% year over year.
Can you explain a complex accounting process to a non-finance colleague?
Certainly. Once, I explained deferred revenue to our sales team by comparing it to a gym membership. You pay up front, but revenue is recognized over time as services are delivered. This helped them understand why we couldn't book full revenue immediately.
How does purchasing equipment impact the 3 financial statements?
On the balance sheet, cash decreases while pages and D increases. On the income statement, depreciation expense is recorded over time. On the cash flow statement, the purchase appears as an outflow under investing activities.
What's the difference between a trial balance and a balance sheet?
A trial balance lists all general ledger balances to ensure debits equal credits. A balance sheet organizes these balances into assets, liabilities, and equity to show the company's financial position.
Can you give an example of how you explained a complex accounting process to a non-finance colleague?
I once trained our marketing team on expense recognition by comparing it to booking a hotel. Costs are recorded when the service is used, not when the reservation is made. This helped them understand accrual accounting better.
Describe an accounting process you improved in a previous role.
I automated invoice approvals using accounting software, reducing processing time by 25% and eliminating manual errors.
How do you handle tight deadlines during month-end close?
I prioritize critical tasks like reconciliations first, delegate where possible, and use checklists to ensure nothing is missed. This approach helped my last team close books 2 days early.
Tell me about a time you found an error in financial statements. How did you resolve it?
I once identified a £20,000 misclassification. I traced it to an incorrect journal entry, corrected it, and implemented a review process to prevent future errors.
Have you ever disagreed with a manager on an accounting treatment? How did you handle it?
Yes, regarding expense capitalization. I presented IFRS guidelines, and we consulted an auditor, who supported my view. It reinforced the importance of adhering to standards.
How do you stay updated with accounting standards?
I subscribe to IQ updates, attend CPT courses, and follow industry discussions on LinkedIn.
What do you know about Marks & Spencer's financial operations?
I've reviewed your annual reports and admire your focus on sustainable finance. Like Plan A, I'd love to contribute to improving financial efficiency here.
How would you approach improving financial reporting here?
I'd assess current processes, identify automation opportunities, and enhance reporting dashboards for better decision making.
This role involves mentoring juniors. Can you share your leadership experience?
I've trained junior accountants on reconciliations and financial reporting, with one being promoted within a year.
What are your salary expectations?
Based on my experience and industry standards, I'm looking for £55,000 to £60,000, but I'm open to discussion.
Where do you see yourself in 3 to 5 years?
I aim to grow into a finance manager role, leading a team and contributing to strategic decisions.
Before we conclude, do you have any questions about the role, the team, or Marks & Spencer in general?
Yes, thank you. Could you share more about the key priorities for the finance team in the next 6 months?
That's a great question. Currently, we're focusing on streamlining our month-end close process and implementing a new financial reporting tool to enhance efficiency. The team is also working closely on sustainability-related financial disclosures as part of our plan of commitments.
That sounds like an exciting direction. My experience in process automation and financial reporting aligns well with those goals. I appreciate the insight.
Thank you again, Mr. Peter, for your time today. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Your expertise in accounting and process improvements is impressive, and we'll be in touch regarding next steps by early next week. Do you have any final thoughts before we wrap up?
Thank you, Miss Watson. I really enjoyed learning more about the team and the role. I'm very excited about the opportunity to contribute to Marks & Spencer's finance function, and I look forward to hearing from you.
Wonderful. Let me walk you to the reception. Have a great day, and safe travels home.
You too, Miss Watson. Thank you again.